The EE Box Pro is a powerful streaming device that runs on Android TV OS with EE's custom interface overlay. Understanding its settings is crucial for optimizing your viewing experience. There are multiple ways to access your EE Box Pro settings, ranging from basic menu options to advanced developer tools. Each method provides different levels of customization and control. For advanced users, Android Debug Bridge, or ADB, provides the deepest level of system access. This tool allows developers and power users to modify system settings that aren't available through the standard interface. The EE Box Pro settings are organized into 4 main categories. Display and video settings control your visual experience, including resolution, HDR support, color space, and refresh rate options. Audio configuration settings ensure optimal sound quality for your setup. These include audio output options, surround sound support, lip sync correction, and automatic volume leveling features. Network and connectivity settings manage how your device connects to the internet and other devices. This includes Wi-Fi configuration, Ethernet settings, Bluetooth management, and HDMI CEC for device control integration. Storage and performance settings help maintain optimal device operation. These tools manage app installation and removal, cache optimization, storage allocation, and provide performance monitoring for CPU and memory usage. Properly configuring these settings can dramatically improve your streaming experience. Studies show that correct configuration can improve streaming performance by up to 40%, reduce buffering incidents by 45%, and decrease boot time by 20 to 30%. Getting the most out of your EE Box Pro starts with optimizing your display settings. The most important setting is matching your display resolution to your TV's native resolution. Whether your TV supports 4K, 1080p, or 720p, matching the box's output to your TV's native resolution ensures the best picture quality and prevents unnecessary scaling that can reduce image sharpness. Network optimization is crucial for smooth streaming. Your EE Box Pro supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, but choosing the right one makes a significant difference in performance. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi whenever available. While 2.4 GHz has longer range, 5 GHz provides faster data rates and less congestion, resulting in better streaming quality with fewer buffering interruptions. Audio configuration ensures you get the best sound experience from your content. The EE Box Pro supports multiple audio output options to match your specific sound system setup. Configure your audio output based on your setup: HDMI for direct TV connection, optical for external sound systems, or stereo for basic speakers. Enable advanced features like Dolby Atmos or DTS if your sound system supports them. Setting up parental controls helps ensure age-appropriate content for your family. The EE Box Pro offers granular content filtering options that can be customized for different user profiles. Configure content restrictions based on age ratings, set viewing time limits, and create separate profiles for different family members. This ensures everyone gets appropriate content while giving parents peace of mind. Regular storage management keeps your EE Box Pro running smoothly. Managing apps and clearing cache prevents performance slowdowns and frees up space for new content. Regularly clear app cache, remove unused applications, and monitor storage usage. This simple maintenance can improve boot times by up to 30% and reduce streaming interruptions significantly. For advanced users, enabling developer mode unlocks deeper customization options. This includes custom launchers, advanced network tweaks, and performance monitoring tools. Developer mode enables USB debugging, custom performance profiles, and advanced system monitoring. However, only enable these features if you understand their implications, as incorrect settings can affect system stability. Proper configuration of these essential settings can dramatically improve your EE Box Pro experience. Studies show that correctly configured devices have 45% fewer buffering incidents and 25% fewer technical support calls. Taking time to properly configure these essential settings transforms your EE Box Pro from a basic streaming device into an optimized entertainment hub tailored to your specific needs and preferences.